Hello, Daryl from Makita here. So today we're going to look at what's in the box, and this is a product that's been out a little while, but it's a newish product. So it's an 18-volt lithium wet and dry extraction unit done in an L class with a HEPA filter. So let's get the machine out and have a look at what's in this box. So it's sold as a body only, so you would have to have your own batteries or you can purchase them separately. So this is the unit itself. It's quite a compact unit, comes with a handle. You are able to purchase as an accessory a strap, but the unit itself, so it has a lift up lid where you would slot your 18-volt battery. That can be any ampage. You've roughly got a high and a low setting, which is controlled by this little lever here. So you've got a run time in high of 30 minutes. You've got a run time in low of 60 minutes. The pipe itself is wrapped around the front, and this is a expandable around about 1 meter to 1200. And then if we turn it that way, there is a little guide arrow to tell you which side it's in. So this side is the suction side. It do also give you a crevice nozzle, but that can be attached to various machines. Sometimes you do need an adapter, but sometimes it fits directly on. And then you've also got this adaptation here that if you wanted to suck any water up. So there's 2 speeds, wet or dry. You've also got a blower section, which is on this other side. There's a little arrow to show you that it can be blow as well, so you can blow dust in 2 speeds. If we open the unit up itself as well, 2 little levers at the side, that lifts off. You've got yourself a filter in there with a ball, so it seals itself. You are able to buy, as an added accessory, a nylon filter, which is great if you're doing a lot of water, because otherwise this would have to dry. So it doesn't need a bag. So if you're doing dry materials, clear it all back out before you do wet materials. So a very compact little unit, DVC750 LZ, sold as a body only. Makita's 18-volt wet and dry vacuum unit. If you like what you see, get yourself down. Thanks for watching.